Welcome to your weekly horoscope, Cancer. From love to career to well-being, the stars have aligned to provide you with guidance and insights for the week of May 8th to May 14th, 2023. Let's dive in. Love, it's a time for recovery. The middle of the week brings good news, facilitations, lucky encounters. If you are in a situation that you no longer like, I recommend that you try to change it or cancel it. Because only if you live under the pressure of anxieties and unhappiness that you are not willing to get rid of, together with those who cause them to you, this sky will not be able to give you what you desire. And this time it would be a real shame. There are new opportunities for singles. Career, commercial exchanges and partnerships with new people are favored. Collaborations and business relationships may be a bit tense, but the push from the planets in your sign is strong and helpful. Your inner compass works wonders. After all, you are ruled by the moon, the planet of the sensitive. Thus, you can find harmony in situations that have recently caused anxiety. Well-being, this week, Cancer, you are going to feel a boost in your physical and emotional health. The planetary alignment is in your favor, which means you will have the power to overcome any health issues or problems that have been bothering you lately. This is a great time to focus on yourself and your well-being, both mentally and physically. It's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle by incorporating regular exercise and a balanced diet into your routine. If you're feeling a little run down or stressed, consider adding some stress-relieving activities to your schedule, such as meditation, yoga, or a relaxing bath. General prediction, this week, the planetary energies are in favor of progress, new opportunities, and positive changes. You may feel more confident and motivated to pursue your goals, and you may also experience a sense of liberation from past fears and limitations. This is a good time to focus on personal growth, self-improvement, and expanding your horizons. The energies support learning, exploring new ideas, and embracing new experiences. However, it is important to stay grounded and balanced, and not to overextend yourself or take unnecessary risks. Take time for self-care and relaxation, as well as for connecting with loved ones and cultivating meaningful relationships. Overall, this is a week of forward movement and positive developments, so stay open to new possibilities and keep a positive attitude. That's all for this week's horoscope, Cancer. Remember to trust in the journey and stay open to new possibilities. We'll see you next week for more insights into your future.